Hello everyone, I'm Siddharth. We at Blue Drop Waters, we believe that water is a very essential source of environment, sustainability, and overall resource planning. And how can we use it to the maximum for projects or for reuse? And processes to treat it and processes to reuse it. How we can do it in a most optimized and easy and a which uses less energy. So as you can see, we work on water treatment, wastewater treatment, lake rejuvenation. And one of our main technologies that helps with this is aerated constructed wetlands. So essentially, it uses nature's processes and mimics them, and which we add an engineering layer to it to treat water. So we achieve this with very less energy, very less maintenance, and when you consider O&M and overall upkeep, it is compared to other system, it is very minimal. Yeah. So there's another thing that we use is bioremediation and enzyme treatment for water body rejuvenation, and this is applicable for multiple applications for different sectors: residential, commercial, uh, industrial also. And for industrial water, the tertiary process or the polishing process, this can plug in with the existing setups for you to use this technology in a way where you get the required water quality. So there are also the integrations that we can do with existing systems in industries also. I think, yeah, Aparna can talk more about the history and then the projects that we're doing.
Hi, this is Aparna and I represent Blue Drop. We've been in this industry of water treatment for the last decade or more, and we've done over 80 projects to date. We have done various projects like lake rejuvenations, your regular aerated wetlands, which is our forte, that's our strength, and we are pioneers in constricted aerated wetlands water treatment. Like Siddharth rightly said, we cater to various sectors, or rather all sectors, including commercial, residential, industrial. We treat sewage water, effluent water, and we are also into lake rejuvenations. So yes, we are trying to leave a better legacy for the generations to come, and also do that at a very cost effective manner compared to the conventional water treatment systems that we have. Our MD, Mr. Gangadhar Donti Reddy, as we fondly call him Ganges Reddy, uh, is very passionate about water and environment, and coming up with a sustainable cause and effect to treat water. Uh, and like we all know, the next world war would be for water. We are done fighting for space, we are done fighting for petroleum. We will now have a war for water. And we want to make sure India does not come to the state where we depend on water for on some other country. And so we came up with this, and it's been a very satisfying journey. Not easy, but yes, we've had our challenges and we've had our learnings, and we've come up with solutions, and we're still here. So yeah, still a long way to go, but we are all here. And
How many projects you done?
we've done around 80 projects, like I already mentioned. These include your residential, your industrial, hospitality, lake rejuvenations. So we've done it all. Very recently, like yesterday, we inaugurated Ranglal Kunta Lake, where we used our technology, and we were able to deliver something really good. Obviously, there is a different method to cater to each industry, and the solutions are different. But we've been focusing on constricted wetlands all these years. But now we are into the conventional systems as well. But we still would like to be called one of the pioneers in nature based solutions.